In the Layered Botanical, we're going to begin taking a look at how to depict flowers as they truly present, imperfect and in all stages of life, from sprouting to flourishing and waning and returning to the earth. Through a layering process of semi-transparent collage papers that we will make together, we will create 8 small paintings that are dreamy and soft, hopefully capturing and portraying these qualities with depth in varying levels of clarity and definition. But we won't just stop there. On these 8 paintings, we'll go deep into problem solving. Problem solving is a natural part of the creative process. We'll work on fixing color issues, improving composition, adding those special finishing touches, and then I will show you how I preserve and protect these paintings. I'm Maribeth Quinn, and I hope you will join me in exploring the magic of the Layered Botanical.